everyone. So let's make a walking sprite animation in Scratch. So I've taken a sprite which has a walking costume like this. Yeah. So if we change the costume rapidly, it looks like walking. So we will use this sprite, and first of all, let's make this costume or make this sprite go to a starting position. So our starting position will be this corner. So we will go to here. So whenever we start our project by clicking the green flag, our sprite will be on the starting position, and after that we will introduce a forever loop. So let's drag a forever loop and put it below the go to XY block, and after that we are actually going to change the costume of this sprite. So for that we will just use the next costume block here and put it inside the forever loop. So whatever code we put inside the forever loop, it is going to repeat forever. So let's try it. So the costume is changing, but it's very fast. Yeah. So let us introduce some kind of delay. So we will introduce a wait block from the control block here, and we will introduce just a 0.2 seconds delay. So every time it changes the costume, it will just wait for 0.2 seconds to make the computer or the changing of costume slow. So let's try one more time. So it looks like it's walking now. Yeah, the sprite looks like walking, but it's actually not walking. It's just changing the costume, and the position is actually not being changed. Yeah. So let's try to give it a motion here. So to give the motion, we go to the motion block and we just drag the move 10 steps block, and we'll move it between the next costume block and the wait block. So let's try. Will it move or not? So it looks like walking. Yeah. So the sprite is walking. So if it is near the edge, what happens? So it's stuck here. So let's try to fix this one also. So for that we will introduce another code called if on edge bounce. So we will just put it below the wait block here, and let's try what happens. Yeah. So if the sprite touches the edge, it's going to bounce. But what happens? Let's see it. Yeah. So it's on the edge now. It's upside down. Yeah. But it's still keeping on walking. So to fix this, what should I do is we will just introduce another code called set rotation style here. So I will just put it above the forever loop and below the go to XY block. So what this code does is whenever it's rotating, it will just rotate from left to right, and it will fix our code actually. So let's try one more time. So our sprite is walking pretty smoothly, and if it touches the edge, it is going to just turn around. Yeah. So in this way our walking animation is completed. So thank you everyone for watching the tutorial. So if you like this tutorial, please hit the like button, and also don't forget to comment something whatever you like, and just subscribe button also. So thank you everyone.